Hi, here at Anderson's Boathouse Restaurant, we've decided to do a very simple herring dish for Tasty Ocean 2022. With strict adherence to the government quotas, we're seeing a big increase in the herring shoals out the bay, and fishing sustainably has been a really important part of keeping our stocks healthy.
And from an environmental impact, the fact that herring swims close to the shore and to the top of the ocean, boats don't have to go very far to catch it. So from that aspect, we should all be eating fresh herring.